YouTube gang. What's good? I'm back with another video. Here to talk about Apex. It's 80% off sale. They done it again. Just when you thought they couldn't get any better, they still looking out for the guys. You know, they've changed a lot of things. Like you only have to withdraw $500 instead of 1,000. They have a $1 million PA account giveaway going on. So they're going to be giving out 30 PA accounts. Everybody's going to get so the 30 winners that are selected, 29 of them will get one $100,000 account. And then somebody will actually get 10 $100,000 accounts, which will total up to be $1 million in funding. So that's big. All you have to do is sign up with my link to get your name entered into the drawing. And so let's get it. I'm actually about to sign up for another account just to, throw my hat in there. Hopefully I'll get it. So let's get into that. So, like I was saying, 80% off. You can't go wrong right here. This is $150,000 accounts. Let me trade 17 contracts on Save80. It would normally be $317, but we got that 80% off code. So you see that discount 253 brings us up to 68.63. You cannot lose, bro. You can't lose. No matter what you would rather spend $60 on, it would not give you the same leverage that 17 contracts would. You would have to use so much of your personal capital to even trade 17 contracts. So this is why this is huge. So I'm about to pay for this right now. So as you can see, I just caught that and myself over here. Was 300, only paid 63, ended up being 68 after tax. So I'm about to log into Save80 now and show y'all what that exactly looks like. Okay, so first look at Save80. It's pretty smooth. I like it. It's a lot easier on the eyes than Ninja Trader. And so I actually ended up getting long on ES. I've been seeing there's hella orders waiting to be filled. Already up $25, $30. Nothing too crazy, just one contract. But there's orders that have to be filled all the way up to the 50s. And so that's what made me get in. And it's going pretty well right now. I'm liking Save80. I love the way that the layout is, how you can, add and take things away as you want. This is on the 1 hour. Going down to the 5-minute chart. A lot of room for upside. See that volume profile, more red than green. So you know what got to happen. Up $50 already. Nothing too crazy. But I do like Save80. I went through the setup and played with it a little bit before I got on here, and I like it, bro. I think this is gonna be a good move for Apex and a good move for anybody who decides to come over with them. So, I like how it shows your P&L at the top of the DOM too. So it's just everywhere that you look, you can see how your trade is performing. We down here at those 39 level, pushing 40s. Oh, it's gonna push that 40 because what it's all about, it's about imbalance. As you can see, even if it's just a slight imbalance, that will be the justification for the move, and it's gonna go with it, up and down. Ooh, excuse me, shit. Trading is supposed to be boring. If you got your emotions in it, getting all riled up, it's not going to end well for you, my friend. So we just chilling, 41.40, then pull back to the 38. But I'm not tripping though because I see all of this money. You are crazy if you don't think the market is gonna come take this. Absolutely insane. Look at all those contracts at 41, 45. So if we just go up there and touch that, I'll be fine with getting out there. And that's really how I plan my trades. I just see where the money is, where price is going to go, and just, what is this? I don't need no alerts. But I just see where the money is, where price is going to go, and I just follow that, man. It's kind of institutional, but still retail. So look at that imbalance on the DOM. It's growing bigger and bigger, 37 to 39. Some would look at that as some people look at imbalances as one side or the other gaining control, but in my opinion, it's just confluence for a reversal. Because if it was that easy for everybody to just pile up on the market and make money, we'd be doing it every day. But that's sadly not how it works. So yeah, we're gonna let this trade run. Come back to what the fuck is going on with my camera. Uh, so yeah, we're gonna let this run. Come back to it in a minute and see where we're at then. So we're back a little minute later. It's already up to the 41.40s. Looking at 80, $70 profit. Nothing too crazy. I'm thinking about doing like a giveaway to one of the subscribers. But shit, y'all don't be commenting on my shit, man. Y'all gotta tighten up. Like, come on, bro. I'm putting out this good heat. I need y'all, boy. Like, we gotta get up there. So shit. Whoever drops the best comment on this video, I will cash app you $100. But you gotta be subscribed, like the video, and share it to your peoples. Get you one of these $150,000 accounts for the 60. Still have you 40 to do what you will with. I don't think it's a bad deal. I ain't asking for the world. Just a couple comments, likes. Just let me know y'all fucking with the content, or if I need to start doing something else. Shit. I actually got some more interviews and stuff that I'm gonna be dropping later this week. So I need y'all to let me know, if y'all fuck with them, if I need to keep doing them too. So just get at them, man, when you see a nigga doing this shit. Cause shit, if I was out here talking about some bullshit, y'all would be fucking with it. Shit, if I was fucking John Morant raving the stick around, y'all would fuck with me, huh? Nah, I'm bullshitting though. But shit, I do appreciate everybody that's been, tapping in, liking, commenting so far. We growing every day. I'm putting out these videos and working hard on these bitches. Just trying to make it, my nigga. And just look at all those contracts on the DOM. Okay, so in just those, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those 10 points, that's over 1,000 contracts right there. If you go down to the buyer side, it's not there. But as you can see, they're actually flipping now. There are more buyers than there are sellers at the moment. I'm not sure how long that's going to hold up, but we will see. We shall see. And I don't know, like I don't really trip on trading to make content. Like I'm not gonna take a fucking 10 contract trade just to have, a fat P&L to show everybody like it's slow and steady wins the race. Anything else, you're gonna burn out and you're gonna fuck your account up and you'll be right back at square one. So I'm not really a clout trader, but we gonna get it done, bro. We gonna get it done, and we gonna fucking not stress out the whole way there. Chilling, good vibes. It's retouching that 40 level again. Need to go ahead and push on through 42, so I can take my profit off. But you got to think about it, bro. That's $75. I haven't been trade. Oh, $112, $100. It's floating. It hasn't been 10 minutes that I've been in this trade. Like some people go to work for 5 hours and make $100 if they're lucky. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't even get paid $20 an hour. So it's just perspective, man. Shit, man. I used to fucking work construction for fucking $18 an hour, and the only thing that would make it worth it was overtime. But shit, this is so much easier, so much less stressful. It's just about staying consistent to the point to where you can, take the payouts that you need to fucking take care of what you got to take care of. And for everybody, that's different. And so don't ever compare anybody else's journey to yours because your road is your road. And that's a big problem with, social media, that you can kill your own joy just by, comparing it to others and feeling like you could be doing more, or you should be doing more, but you just doing you, bro. You can't be jealous out here, bro. On Facebook, always fuck out of here. So yeah, I will leave it off right here though. I stitch back in later on what happened with this trade. So what's good, guys? So tapping back in, it's been about like 10, 15 minutes. You can see we done pushed up to 442. We're looking at 237. And there's still orders to be filled, you know what I'm saying? It's just going up. I'm keeping an eye on it. If it starts dropping, I'll probably just close and take, whatever profits there. I'm not tripping. You see it's dipping. Look at that, 162, 175. Yeah, if it push back to like 225, I'll just go ahead and take that. And look at that. Just as I said, come on back up. Mm, Down. So I just missed the profit, so it just dropped back down to 100, 125. So I don't know, man. I should have took up there at the 200s, but now it's back down to 125. So we might as well wait some more. Keep in mind, this is all one contract, less than 10, 20 minutes. I'll take off 162. Wait, hold on. Oh, damn, make up your mind, market. Hungry ain't even ate shit today. I'm here trading. Just like this little Mexican standoff right now. I got my finger hovering over the button. Order filled. We'll take it, bro. We'll take it. I'm not tripping. I won't be greedy and get caught on a move, on a pushback down to the downside. I'm just not into that. So bought at 141.38, sold at 41.41, 162. And that was what, a 20-minute trade? Let's see, either 5-minute bar, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 30-minute trade, 30 minutes, $162. I will not lose like that. Like I'm chilling. I don't got no problem with that. I got no problem. And price actually ended up going lower. So yeah, that's a good trade. And YouTube, it is just that simple sometimes. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do, hit the button and be patient, man. 162 in 20 minutes is. It might not be, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett money, but keep it in perspective. If you work for $18 an hour for 10 hours, you would only have $180. I just made 162 in fucking 20 minutes. Like, do the math, bro. It's just compounding, bro. Just you gotta keep doing this, stay consistent, make smart moves. And you're gonna get to where you wanna be and eventually be financially free. And that's a good move, man, because immediately the market is back down to 39s, the 40s, so I'm cool with that. I'm cool with a 3-point move. In a couple minutes, man, it's just staying consistent, bro. So that might be all I'm gonna do for this video. I'll probably come back with another night session. It's only it's not even 12 p.m. where I'm at right now. So I'll be back with another video later on tonight. But I appreciate y'all for stopping and checking in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Got that $100 giveaway going on to the best commenter. So let's get it, bro. Let's get this money. Appreciate y'all. I'm out.